Dr. Ravi Subbiah began his journey from the slums of Dharavi, where he was born in a poor family. He is said to be the first physically challenged accredited television journalist in the world. Having been diagnosed with polio at the age of 3 years, there were 25 children who were admitted at All India Institute of Medical Sciences at Haji Ali in Mumbai with polio. 24 died of electric shock. Only Dr. Ravi Subbiah survived, but doctors gave him maximum 1 year life. In complete despair, Dr. Ravi's mother decided to throw him in the Arabian Sea coast at Haji Ali. But fate had other plans, and God-sent evangelist discouraged Dr. Ravi's mother and asked her to have faith and hope in God. The rest, as they say, is history. Dr. Ravi attained education from mainstream education, got his bachelor degree from Mumbai University, and went on to start a cable business in the city of Navi Mumbai. And today, he is a distributor of one of the country's largest cable service networks. Each phase comes with a set of challenges, problems, sacrifices, and tests. His disability made him a victim of abuse, bickering, insult, embarrassment, neglect, and humiliation. But instead of losing to the bitter tests of life, Dr. Ravi Subbiah turned every adversity into opportunity. He founded the Handicap Welfare Association, which works for the implementation and equal rights for persons with disabilities in Navi Mumbai and nearby cities. He soon launched a local news station and combined the forces of his NGO and the news channel to raise issues of persons with disabilities. Two years ago, Dr. Ravi Subbiah made his debut as an international and motivational speaker by addressing the youth, families and members of Oxford University in United Kingdom.
I can do all things.
Come on! Hallelujah.
In March 2013, the management of Loma Linda University invited Dr. Ravi Subbiah to share his story with students of university ahead of their examinations in order to motivate and inspire them that no matter how big the challenge, it can be faced and won only if you have the will and determination.
The world says that I am physically challenged, but God has made me completely abled. And the disability has been converted into possibilities. So I've run an NGO, I run a TV station, and God has blessed me in everything.
The University of Loma Linda, situated in California, United States, for the first time in 100 years decided to invite a special speaker from an Asian country to address students ahead of their examinations. Having personally experienced the challenges that hundreds of disabled people experience in their lives in Mumbai and nearby cities, he founded the Handicap Welfare Association. It's an NGO fighting for the welfare, upliftment and implementation of rights of persons with disabilities Act 1995. The NGO meets policy makers and government organizations and so far has been successful in ensuring that government offices frequented by persons with disabilities are made disabled friendly with ramps and wheelchairs. As a disabled rights activist, he has been working to implement the rights and welfare schemes of persons with disabilities living in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and nearby metros. Dr. Ravi Subbiah has met social activists and inspiring persons like Nick Bugisis and Johnny Irexintauda of Johnny and Friends in California. Dr. Ravi Subbiah's mission is to remove barriers and to create an inclusive and accessible society for all persons with disabilities and to make a physical environment more disabled friendly and accessible. As a part of community service, he started NMTV in the year 2000. NMTV is a local news station and the first to receive the accreditation from the government of Maharashtra. Today, NMTV is the most popular and trusted local news station of Mumbai. NMTV can be viewed live on www.nmtv.tv. Dr. Ravi Subbiah is the first physically challenged television journalist in the world. This feat was recognized when the University of Jerusalem conferred on him an honorary doctorate. Dr. Ravi Subbiah's story of battling struggles has become a source of inspiration for people across the world. Dr. Ravi Subbiah believes that life always brings challenges, tests and problems, but one only has to do their best with faith, will and determination to experience how beautiful and wonderful life can be.